So welcome to the benefits of cold water therapy. We swim in the sea pretty much every day of the year.
What, you mean there's benefits from doing this?
Yeah. Okay, so some of the benefits, Tony. This is our mate Tony Riddle, the natural lifestylist on Instagram, total dude.
Yeah, I would say that, it doesn't matter what's going on in the world. I had very little sleep last night. I was really wired from the festival. Woke up early to come and do the swim rise. Really grumpy, I haven't had enough sleep. And I got in the water and I come out like just an empowered being again. I think that's the best message for me.
Yeah, I think
so transformative. I think you just wash anything off in the water.
So, I think there's a sense of baptism about it, a sense of rebirth.
It's a rebirth. Yeah.
The cold water, what it does for me anyway, is it shocks you back to the present moment, so you forget about what you're worried about. It's been proved to help with cardiovascular function. It's very good for kind of stress response for longevity.
And it's really good for speaking to camera.
What I was going to say was they're prescribing it now as an antidepressant because it just brings you back to the present moment, as Stephen was saying. And in my perspective, it's almost like mainlining, like just injecting yourself with nature. It's almost like, particularly the sea, it's like a bus hits you, boom, you're back to the present moment. But if you don't live near the sea, there's things which you can do, such as cold showers is amazing.
Baths, cold showers, anything like that.
Or even just, we have ponds in Hampstead, we go to the ponds, or I set up a freezer at the gym and we get in there.
Tony's proper hardcore. Outside his back garden, he's got a freezer which is full of ice all year round, water halfway up, and he gets in and does 5 minutes in an ice bath pretty much every day. So there are extremely hardcore people.
And that's for the immune system, the metabolism, and again, mental health, mental fortitude. Think of it that way.
I'm going to say two last things that I think it's really good for. One is that, say right now I'm in here, it's really cold, and my body wants to go, but if I relax in it, I'm learning how to deal with stress and how to breathe my way through kind of the fight or flight response.
Brilliant.
And the second thing is that often I'll go into the water and I feel, as Tony said, tired and not feel like swimming. You come out feeling grateful. Maybe it's grateful because you survived the cold, but you appreciate simple things like, wow, it's a lovely day, look at that bird.
And a friend to nature, right? You suddenly remember that, I am nature.
Yeah, I am nature.
It's an element that you can connect to very quickly, very rapidly.
A friend always says that he doesn't always like the person going into the cold shower or going into the sea.
Brilliant.
But he always loves the person coming out, and I think that's the greatest expression for it all. Like, cold water really just brings you back to the present moment, connects you with yourself, and I think makes you a kinder, more connected, plugged in human, and I think that's what we're all looking for. Hey Steve!
And that's Dave.
Dave,
we swim in the sea every day at sunrise. Come join us anytime. On Saturday we had about 1,000 people come join us. Today there were people from England, from Canada. Tony was here, Steph was here. Come join us anytime. We meet at sunrise at the Cove. Wishing you a happy day ahead.
Yeah, cold water you could start little by little. There's now I'm starting shaking a little. But there's a great guy, Wim Hof. He's all about cold water therapy. Tony does a huge mention in London, in Hampstead Heath. He swims most mornings there. Tony's called the Natural Lifestylist on Instagram. Come join us for Swim Rise, and a challenge might be to try to, after your cold shower, start by building up 10 seconds at a time. Start with 10 seconds cold water and kind of build it up to a minute and try to reach at least 2 minutes in a cold shower. And it's proven to really improve your immune system, your overall, as Stephen said, there was podcasts we were listening to last week which were all about longevity, and they said stressing your body between hot and cold is so beneficial for your immune system and everything. So
thanks for watching, sending loads of love and wishing you all the best with cold water. Cheers.